You know, you get that level of detail in the VR which you just can't get on a 2D plan. Hall Hart is a design and construct for residential in Sydney, predominantly knockdown rebuild. I guess what we pride ourselves on is a completely holistic design process where a customer walks in and they work with a team through the whole build. And you know, we're also a business that's just passionate about innovation and continuous improvement. So we're always looking to do things better. We're always looking to utilise the best technologies that we can find. And it's about trying to create the best experience for a customer from start to finish. Certainly I've recognised it from the beginning that not everyone can visualise from a 2D drawing, and even from a 3D drawing people struggle really visualising what the end product will look like. And one of our goals has been to help customers visualise as best as they can, as early as they can, because ultimately they'll visualise it when it's built. And if it's not what they sort of wanted or what they expected, that becomes a problem. It's either leads to a dissatisfied client or involves expensive rework. And like a lot of people, we started off with 3D drawings and some basic renders. But to put someone into a VR space is sort of the ultimate. So it was just really looking for people that did that, people that were aligned to what we're trying to achieve as a business. Again, a business that's sort of passionate about technology, continually improving, pushing those boundaries is the sort of partner we're looking for. And we found Invis, and it's been great. Customer will come in, they'll start with essentially hand sketches with our architect. They'll work through design concepts. Once we've locked those down, we'll then start building the model in 3D, and then we'll get the customer in there as early as we possibly can as part of the design process. So I think we use it a little bit differently. I think a lot of people use it as showcasing a finished product. For us, it's all about the design process and helping that design process go forward. Feedback's fantastic. Obviously, you get all the oohs and ahs when they get into the model. But again, for us, it has a very, we're not necessarily, we like the sexy part of it, don't get me wrong. But for us, it's really the workhorse of getting the design resolved and issues worked out before we go much further in the process. You get that level of detail in the VR which you just can't get on a 2D plan. Absolutely. We've seen a massive compression in our design process, because what kills a business like ours is just the continual changing, the continual second guessing. A lot of customers don't realise that the further a job progresses, the harder and longer it is to make a change. And when you're getting changes late in the process, that just completely slows the process down. But not only slows the process down, just provides countless opportunities for errors and mistakes. So not only does it compress the process, but it just minimises the opportunity for mistakes and errors as well. Yeah, certainly. I mean, every builder's got the same issues as we do. We're not unique. If it's made massive improvements to our business, it would make massive improvements to everyone else. I think it's going to be an expectation of clients. If it's not now, certainly in the near future. Customers are looking for that, customisation. They're looking for a high quality experience. When they're aware of other builders offering this service, it's going to be almost a requirement that other builders will need to provide for their customers.